you gotta remove the shift knob. In order to remove shift knob, there is small clip right here. I already removed mine to make this video shorter. So lift it down, bring it down, and then stick something in and remove that clip. And remove that clip. Do not lose it. And then lift your shifter knob up. After that, you're gonna need to remove those sides panel. There is just clips on the both sides. Remove them, and now just start to pull your central console out. There is also clips, no screws, nothing else. It's gonna be one connector on the bottom of your central console. It's gonna be connected right here, and that's it. That's how you remove your central console, guys.